Hi everyone, I am back with a new updated craft video for you guys. I'm sorry it took a long time to come back with the video, but I was doing the exact same thing. So we are back with a new project, well, old project. We're going to make a bracelet. What you need for this project is a black cord string, this very strong string that will not break. You need a pair of scissors. You need some pony beads of your choice. I'm just using this as a leftover project. You need a cross. These are olive wood crosses. I got these a long time ago, but they're still available on Amazon. That's where I got mine. And let's get started. Take your one cross out of the bag and let's see if it's, make sure there's no blemishes or anything wrong with it. The hole will be on this side. The hole is good enough. Like this one's a little bit wonky, so we'll take our bead reamer. This is called a bead reamer. What you do is put it through this hole and just go like this. It'll widen the hole for you. Alright, next up, we will unravel the string. Set this aside. We want to unravel it like 2 times. About big, not too big. Maybe 3 times to tie your knots if you have to cut the ends off. Just in case if you have to. What I mean is, see the tip right here? Sometimes you have to cut that off to make it look pretty so that the bead can go through. It will get it smooth like this. Okay, let's take our cross. See that hole? Stick your string through the hole. Like this. You want to eyeball it so it's nice and snug. Like this. Maybe 10 on one side, 11 on the other side. You want to make sure it fits a nice around your string. So let's go for 10. 1, 2. Remember, you see this hole right there? Put it through the string and off you go. If you dropped it, just put it back in. 3. These are royal blue pony beads that I'm using from my mom's old store. We closed it down last year when she passed away. And it's been a tough year, but I took my eBay business full time now. And hopefully it can do something. I've been in a little bit of a recession. And I'm doing all right. And hopefully we get some more videos out to you guys. And I hope you'll click the links. It will help me out if you visit my eBay store page. And yeah, I have a little bit of a sniffle because I've been going in and out with Angel. I have a new Maltese dog to take care of. And so I've been pretty busy. Even though we closed Mom's store last year, A&D Wholesale. And I had to take on a little bit more responsibilities to take care of her and myself to make sure we stayed healthy. Let's count this. Get it out of the shadows. See how many on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we want 2 more. 10. Last time through that hole. 11. Now flip your work to the other side. Want 10 on one side, 11 on the other side. And then we'll test it out, see if it'll fit them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, let's set that aside. This is what it should look like. It might be a little small, but we can make a children's bracelet. If it's too small, yeah, I can tell. I have about maybe 6 more beads, 3 on each side. One, 2, 3, 1, 2 like that. Maybe 2 more beads. You can just tell. That should do it. What do you think? Probably 1 more on this side. There you go. You can count it for yourself how many's on each side. There we go. There we go. Nice. Take it. Okay, this is what you want to do to close it off. Take an X. Go under. Like that. Make sure you don't get it like that. Just do what I do and you'll get across every time. Two, 3, 4, last one, 5. Make sure it's nice and tight. Go up, go down, inside. Take your scissors, get it closely as possible without cutting your string. Then take this string, you see that hole? Pull it through, hide the nut, and there you have it. It's inside there, so people don't mess around with the nut to untie it or retie it. And that's it. Here's the trash, put it to the side, and there's your bracelet. Straighten it out. Now these bracelets probably around $2 to $3 on. You can probably sell these on eBay for about $2 to $3. And I think they'll go really well. And there you have it. What you need for this project are these crosses, some pony beads, your black cord string, a bead reamer, and a pair of good old trusty scissors. I had these forever, for a long time. These were from my mom's old shop. They don't carry these anymore. And that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry about my poor editing video skills, but at the moment my video editor is not working. So hopefully this video will go upload to YouTube and we'll have a new video up and really soon. I hope you guys click onto the link and visit me in my eBay shop and support me out there. And yeah, it's been a tough year, and I hope to get some sales on eBay. And I hope you guys will come out and visit me on eBay too. It's a very safe site. You get your product or your money back guaranteed. And I hope you guys will give me positive reviews when you guys come out. And yeah, I hope we can, continue on with these crafts, so we'll see how it goes. This is a new craft video for March 2023, March 21st. I am recording this for you guys. So like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching and supporting this channel. Thank you to all the new followers and subscribers, returning people. I appreciate every one of you guys, and I hope you guys just stay with me and watch the videos to learn something. And yeah, that's about it. And don't forget to click in the description box down below for the links down below. Give me a good thumbs up. Thank you, everybody. Bye.